lines for this. This is the final product already. I cannot believe how fast this has gone.
So fast. But this is what we've been waiting for.
Well, I tell you what, many of you already love the Resurrection Body Wash, which, by the way, is a 5-star, 5-review customer pick on hsn.com. Well, what we did, brand new configuration, $38. You are now receiving the Revive Super Lube Body Oil. And I have to tell you, I have been using this the last couple days. It is magical. It is magical. And I don't want you to think when you hear body oil, you think, oh, slippy, slidey.
Slippy, slidey, greasy.
Why is yours different? Why is your oil different, Carol?
Rachel, that's the raw process. The thing with raw is that when you don't heat the ingredients, your body recognizes the molecular structure and it's able to utilize it. So it doesn't sit on top of your skin. The skin says, oh my gosh, this is essential oils. I need this. And it sucks it right in.
Right.
Essential oils are different than trans fatty oils, which we all hear about. They're not only fattening, but they sit on top of your skin. They're not absorbed as easily.
And show us what kind of oil you use right here, which is what this is.
Well, we have apricot kernel oil. We've got, oh my gosh, we've got jojoba oil. One of the oils we've been using throughout the line is the tamanu nut oil.
Right.
Now, this is not found anywhere else in the world except in the Philippines. The tamanu nut, in Polynesia. The Polynesian beauty secret, it's indigenous to South Asia, and we cold press this. These people understand the value of this nut, and they preserve these trees. They preserve the process which they take these nuts out of the fruit. They eat the fruit and save the nut. And then the nut is dried in the sun, and for some reason that they can't explain scientifically, these nuts create this unbelievable oil.
Look
and
at this
here
oil.
is this oil. Where can you show that? This is the oil that is squeezed from the nut that we use in its purest form in our products. And this is the tamanu nut. Now, it takes 1.5 pounds of nuts just to produce this little bit of oil.
It's
that precious.
It is fabulous. Your skin just drinks this in. It isn't going to make you slippy slidey.
No, my
Carol
sister
and I
goes,
were
it
talking.
makes me so soft.
It does. Your skin just is like silk when you use this. But the other part of this, too, is the 5-star, 5-review. You love it. You can't get enough of this. The body wash. We have only 500 of these now remaining. Oh, my. That's it for the visit. $538.
Well,
Call now if you want
We've been
it.
talking about this body wash because one of the great things about this wash, again, besides the fact that we use no lauryl sulfates, no preservatives, no petroleum products, no detergents, and it suds up like this. When people told me it would never happen, we were able to get unbelievable results with the sudsing with no lauryl sulfates, okay? Everything in this has raw, active ingredients in its most basic form that's easily absorbed by your skin. But it's great for shaving your legs.
Yes.
As many of the show hosts were quick to point out, they love to shave their legs with this product because it is soft. And after you shave, you feel so moisturized because it's not a detergent, so it doesn't strip your skin. But I've been using it as bubble bath. In a regular bathtub, I just put it in where the water is streaming out. So it is used in so many different ways. But again, as the wash, and then we have, of course, the Super Lube, which is
fabulous.
The
there you
Super
go.
Lube is just, I just have to show you what this looks like on camera. Look at this. Look at this oil. This is an oil. And what it does is it seeps right into your skin. So it's not greasy. It goes right into your skin. And it makes your skin soft and moist without grease. And you can't find that in other skincares because when you start to process that oil and you heat it, it doesn't have the same effect on the skin. You need to have it in its most basic form. These oils have to be as raw as possible in order for your skin to be able to absorb it. And what this does is it goes onto your skin. Now, I suggest using it after a shower, which is why we pair it with the body wash. So you wash your body in your shower. When you get out, you pat dry. You don't rub dry. Pat dry and put this on. So it keeps the moisture in, and then it feeds your skin. This is so decadent and so sexy feeling on your skin. And the scent, which is a light vanilla lavender, I got the idea from one of the top perfumiers. Their scent of the season was a vanilla lavender, and we took this idea and we mixed it for our line with essential oils. So they are essential oils of lavender and vanilla. Nothing is a synthetic chemical in this. Nothing.
Heaven.
It's just all as pure as we could possibly find it.
And look, I already put this, as we wrap this up, I already put this all over my hands and my arms. It is, look, you can see my skin is already, it's drinking this in. It's not greasy. It's not slippery all over. This will change your view when you think about, quote, body oils. You get the duo. The wash is a huge 5-star customer pick across the board. Now we give you the brand new body oil, which is sensational. So $38. We have fewer than 500 of these now to go around. This is absolutely wildly popular, and it's 405-404. Remember, it is all
I don't want to waste a bit of it. I'm just rubbing it all in.
No synthetic chemicals. Say yes to the healthy care that you have here, to the healthy skincare. Carol is back during the 9 a.m. hour this morning with more, and a brand new mature skincare line that you don't want to miss out on.
Yes, we're
and it's
debuting
fantastic
that today.
Also. Thank you
Rachel,
so very much.
Thank you, and
True
thank
pleasure.
you all for joining us, and we'll see you at 9 a.m.
All right, and check out hsn.com and see the new mature line, and it has a brand new green packaging, so you can't miss it there. So thank you, Carol.
Thank you.
All right, stay on the phone lines, please, and make sure, now we're down to about 400 only of the brand new Body Duo, so you don't want to miss out on that. And check out our clearance on hsn.com, because we have a huge 70% off, 50% off, all different categories. You'll love it, and you don't want to miss out on that. And definitely stay on the phone lines for the raw essentials. And we have